Okay, today we got a X-Men board. This one had someone had replaced these RAM badly and fucked up some lines. So normally I'd get a working one and check it, but I used my brain and made a lucky guess and got that correct. And then we had a ROM error. Replaced the ROM, still bad. It was a 374 there, actually Fuji's, but there we go. So it still needs one of these. Once again, you'll have to get one of these. No problem, I can cut this out and send it off to be done, and put a socket on it or whatever. We'll sort that in it later. Let's fire it on. Yeah, I remember this one from Cornwall, but never really played it much or had much love for it. Pretty nice graphics. I guess Lee's played it before. Hope he wasn't the guy who fucked the board up. Anyway, there we go. Another one done.